Hello. I am Paul. Why do Goal and other organizations with humanitarian projects should invest in animation for awareness raising? With evidence, over the years organization effort on public education, information, and awareness campaigns through radio helped to battle cholera in Sierra Leone. But how many people now listen to radio? Less number of people. And even lesser for adolescents and young adults. They don't have time for radio. And so our jingle, radio panel discussions have less impact. They have more time for smartphones. This is call for re-strategizing our IEC through animation. Did you know? The majority of our people prefer video content to reading. Animation evokes emotions that resonate with the viewers. Yes. With funds, it sparks conversations and makes our audience want to follow the story. This is the more reasons why we need to embark on raising adolescent and young adult awareness through edutainment.